Again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio, also a gallery. This is my PPG Speed Hide. I'm a I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. I love the Prizm Pours and the Primary Elements. And I need to give myself a substantial pillow to get to the outside edge. Doesn't look like it's very much in the center, so I might go back over here and add a little more. Go through the pillow paint pretty quick. As long as I spin out the PPG Speed Hide, it's good. If I don't spin it all the way out, it's a problem. So I've been doing scoop and drags, and I want to do something a little different. So I'm going to try some of my new orange peel, which is a primary element. The bottom. And then I've got Bling It Golden Maple, another primary element. I wanted to use some Royal Sapphire. Got a little, that's a Prizm Pour. This is a primary element. This is called Sea Dancer. I seldom, if ever, use the Fangango, but I love the Fangango. Let me give that a quick shake. I'm not sure I shook it. I've got a little bit of cerulean blue. Do I? Doesn't seem open. Wonder if the frozen is more open. Well, I've got a little bit of cerulean blue, because it's not coming out very quickly. And I would have to open that to change that. I have some marooned, some leftover paint that I really wanted to use up. That I'll need a spatula for. Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. To get that all out of there. And the rest can go on my Lola Fee silicone mat. And those two things can go into the bucket. And let me get my green out of here. See if there's anything else I want. Cerulean blue didn't work very well. I'm kind of thinking maybe a little bit of Abalone. Yeah, I think a little Abalone. Now I wanted to put something pink in there, and that was going to be the Cupids Crush. I think I'm still going to do that. I hope I don't regret it. I need to move a few bottles out of my way so when I swipe and then spin, I don't have an issue. Do I want something else? I do immediately. I want some Indigo Violet. That's a lot of colors. And I promised myself I would try and use some of my super thick Atelier Black, which may or may not be a good idea, because it didn't work out. It's Atelier Black Interactive, and no matter how much pouring medium I add to it, it stays the same weight. So that's pretty amazing to me. I haven't tried adding a lot of water to thin it down, but it may not work at all, but I think it's going to work. I think so. Now I've got a large palette knife, but not the largest palette knife. And I want to take the white Use some of my P.E iridescent gold. Put it in between. And use some black. The black and the white are both Amsterdam with Aussie Floetrol. And I kind of wanted to pull some things out from the center, but I think I'm going to move some things first. Before I scoop anything, if I even want to scoop anything. Interesting color combination. I think I'm going to take a little tiny spatula, palette knife, do some black and some white, and a little P.E. iridescent blue violet. Go right over here. Which I like a lot, and I might want to do that again because I like it a lot. Right in here. So try a little more black, a little more white, a little more iridescent P.E. blue violet. It's not a very big palette knife. This time I'm just going to use some black. I'm just having a good time. I'll lose most everything that's on the edge, I'm pretty sure. I do kind of want to pick up some paint. Put it right down over here. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Don't forget there's a 20% off Colour Arte coupon code, along with a link to the website, directly under Show More. Paint will flow to paint, so I just as soon help that flow by moving it into the edges. Filling in some gaps before I try and spin. not sure how I'm going to feel about this, but I'm often fooled. Even the fuggliest things turn out to be something pretty cool. I got some super, super deep paint, so that means my pillow paint can definitely withstand some being stretched. So that seems like an idea to me. Let's move it, move it. I might be able to keep more of my colors than I thought. If I get it over that edge, I'm going to try and bring it back again. And I'm probably going to put some white paint on that corner. I might want to put some, might want to spread some of this out. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a little bit of white paint on this corner. If I have a palette knife, I can do some paint manipulation with. Most of that filled in. Most of my bottles are out of the way too. I do see one area I want to play with first. That's this right here. I expect most of that won't stay. Okay, I'm going to take a risk and put my palette knives in the bucket. Although right immediately I want another one. I love how when you scoop and drag you'll get cells. Not much of that black survived, but that part definitely did. Okay, this is going to change almightily, I can tell you right now. It's going to be nothing the same as it is. That makes me kind of want to do something like add a big spiral someplace. Because I'm not sure what I'm going to... Oh, that was a drip. Okay, it's time. Here goes nothing. Oh, I see that thing. That one wayward line. I think we're going to just fill the canvas. There's not going to be any negative space left. But at least the colors will be beautiful. Paint flying off. It's going to be very cool, I can tell now. Although I did like it before. There's nothing you can do about it. You have to get that paint off of there or you will have cracking. Oh, that's nice. Wonder if that'll make a difference. She's a beauty. I'm going to give it one more spin. For some reason I want to go the opposite direction. I like that there's some white negative space left. I've got 3 minutes left to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. I have over 2,700 videos. I've got time to shimmer this at you. I maybe used more paint than I needed to, but I think this is really cool. I think I moved it out far enough so that it will not crack, and that was the desired effect. Looks like every single side is covered, and that's also really oh, this is gorgeous. Really, really, really cool. I think I like it either this way up or this way up. I think I prefer, I'll show it to you the way I think you would like it, but you would have to make up your mind yourself. I do sell my artwork. Did I mention I sell my artwork? I needed to mention I sell my artwork, or at least I used to sell my artwork. That would be really cool, to sell some artwork. Christmas is coming. Oh, I don't like it when my flashlight decides to flash at me, and I don't know why it happens. I've got bubbles I'm going to have to pop. Look at that. That is cool. Wow. Those colors are fabulous. What a great abstract design. I try not to remember what I saw before that I fell in love with, because I'm falling in love with this now. And I can see most of the bubbles. You're really not supposed to torch, but occasionally I do anyway. Hey, that looks great on the diagonal too. Probably can't see all of that. That's pretty cool. I want to pop that bubble with my thumbnail right now. I hope it fills in. I prefer it when they don't leave white gaps behind them. That orange peel, did I use the orange peel? Whatever I used for gold worked out pretty nicely. And I do definitely hope I'll have a few minutes to get rid of the bubbles. And I'll take a brief movie. If you look on my Instagram, a lot of times you'll find a video, a short flyover clip. I tried to do some YouTube shorts, but they interrupted the natural views of my regular video, so I don't know what's going to happen there. You can look for, there are a few on there. There are shorts. There is a shorts playlist. Alright, so I'm busy doing stuff I shouldn't do, like popping bubbles with my thumbnail, but okay, oh well, never mind. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I'm liking this from all kinds of directions, but I'm definitely going to be coming back to the Fangango with the Cerulean blue. It's beautiful. I love, love, love this. It doesn't look like anything else, and that makes me happy. I don't even mind the fact that there's just some huge cells and some rainbow areas. I got 1 minute left, and evidently I'm feeling chatty. If you look underneath the video, you'll find the 20% off coupon code for Colourarte products on the website. You'll find my email address, easpbgallery, and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I have 2,700 videos, and you can find them by going to my channel, all videos, creative videos, or you can just ask me, because I've got them organized by topic and genre and by the 100. My paint pouring recipes will be underneath the video. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I think I dare say I'm almost to the point where I would be happy to give a lesson about scoop and drag, because I feel like I know enough about what I'm doing to be comfortable showing somebody else how to do it. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio, Gallery, Priscilla Batzell, or some variation on that theme, is my Facebook group, obviously. If you have questions, please ask. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and I suspect that you are gone. But if you're not gone, thank you for your kind words and your comments and your appreciation and your donations through PayPal, because they help keep me painting. And there's a join function that will get you access to a members library of